dreams, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able.
Hello traders, how are you? This is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel in another episode of Weekly Live Update. Today we are going to analyze gold chart for possible entries for next week. So first we will analyze gold, then we will take your questions from chat. So let's start with 1 week. And from 1 week, this candle, I don't feel so good about gold. This is a rejection candle at the top, and from a weekly analysis, I can expect gold to tap out minimum 50% of this full wave. So around it will be around 2979. We will be watching a downtrend move in gold in upcoming month, and I expect gold to start a downtrend now, and eventually we will see our targets around below this 50% of full wave. Because on monthly time frame, if you see gold, there is no retracement till now, and I assure you guys that this will be a biggest fall in gold in upcoming months. According to monthly time frame, we have structural levels at 2000 and another level at this zone here. So according to monthly chart, gold can possibly hit these two targets, and below this there is nothing. But I don't expect gold below this. I am expecting gold to first, it will respect this level here, then go to this level here. Now first we will again go to a weekly time frame. Weekly candle is too much bearish right now, and I expect gold to first just hit near about this area. We will have another bullish reaction here in upcoming days. Like this, it will fall here, again rise, create a evening star here, test it, and again drop to 3000. So this will be the path for next 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks I assume it will be around 15 May. So after 15 May we can see a gold creating a downside momentum towards 2700 and 2500. I officially declare this as a high of gold for next around 1.5 years or 2 years. It will be the high for the gold. Gold will not go above this. It is a possibility. If it goes above it, then it will be only a wick above it, and again to the downside it will create a double top formation here and create downside momentum. Now let's see in daily time frame. According to daily time frame, if we see, gold have this rejection levels. So we are expecting gold to tap and react over here. On the break below this, we can see gold creating a drop here. It will be a bounce and again drop like this. So this will be the possibility of move here like this. Now let's define this move in 4 hour. In 4 hour we can see this FVG is a opening gap here. You can clearly see this, and we can see gold is just ranging here after this big fall. This is a current resistance here. If gold clear out this, then I expect gold to tap here and create a double top formation, else I'm expecting gold to reject from here. On the double top formation, we can expect gold to sweep this around 2550. This will be the target on the sweep, and if gold not able to cross above this supply area, then I'm expecting gold to drop more, and first target will be this weekly FVG, from where I'm expecting again rise and create a rejection from this zone again. If I see in 4 hour time frame, it is much clear that gold is not able to close a single candle above this previous high. So in another exchange, we have a change of character. Here you can see this in 4 hour we have a change of character. We have one candle closing, two candle closing, and this is our QML area. From QML area, gold is rejecting. So below this pattern will be completed, and we can expect a move like this. First is this higher high, then this is again higher high, this is change of character, this is QML test, this is drop, again rise, and this is, you can see, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and there will be another lower low in upcoming week. So this is a bounce level from, you can get some scalp entries. You have seen this move, you have seen a 1 month move here. In 1 month you already have seen that gold have not given any opportunity to sell. The same thing will be happen in the sale model. It will not give you opportunity to buy or sell here, because you need a many candles for buy, but a one candle for a sell to engulf it. The sell candle will be always bigger than the buyer move. You can see this, how many time it consume to go from here. Let me just show you how quick sell moves are. This is a buy momentum. From this zone to this level, it create a 13 bar. Only the 13 bar to reach this momentum here. If I take this level here, 26 bar. So it create a 26 candle to reach at this level, but it needs only 9 candles to drop to this level. So 23 means it needs 2 years to reach this level, but only 9 months to fall for this level. So this quick will be a sell, and same thing will be here. It will not give you a sell opportunity, and you have to enter about this levels. Every day it will open and give you a new low, just like this. Every day it open and giving us a new high. The same thing will happen here. If we go to COT reports, non-commercials have already closed their longs and they are adding shorts. You can see this. Why they are adding shorts? Because they know that gold have completed its 5 wave and now it will go on bearish mode, and we will see a long-term bearishness in gold for at least 2 years. We will see gold on new low, and you will think that gold is a shitcoin, like it will play like shitcoin. I don't recommend you to buy gold and physical, and you can see on the daily time frame I can see a pure weakness here, because gold is not able to cross this inverse FVG at this level here. This was an inverse FVG from where gold have rejecting, and this is a evening star. So first my target is this low here. After this low, I'm expecting gold to bounce a bit and give us a new low. First target will be this structural area around 3000 and 2956. You will see this target in 2 weeks like this. Next week we are having NFP. So on NFP we can see a momentum to build and there will be a huge move. Let's see in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour we are having a low momentum of sell here. It is showing that it is have still a buy opportunity to this level. Until we flip this supply here, I'm not expecting gold to go upside. Again there will be a sell opportunity from this level here. Though is a structural change we have here, it can be an inducement for more downside. So first my priority will be a sell from this zone here at this red zone. I will be expecting sell from here for a new low around 45. It will be my first target, and second target from where we expect some bounce is this. From here you will expect a small bounce, but it will be not much bigger. It will just test a smaller time frame structural areas around this zone here. because price need to make a lower low and lower high. Lower low will be here. The first thing I can see here is we have around 50% to 60% retracement. Here this is 50% area, so gold is not able to cross it. If we have a wick above it, then this will be our target. 3400 will be target, because when trend is not mature, it can create a 60% to 78% retracement, from where we can expect more sell. On upcoming week, I will be watching for a short entry. First, this zone here, if this zone get flipped, I will be in buy for this area here again around 367 to 86. After that, I'm expecting again sell to this low here, because this is my one of entry model, in which I have already shared that price create a supply area, reject from first time, second time, and on third time it creates new low. And this zone, this is the entry model I have already shared with you, like this. If you want to see this in live market, this is a live example. Price create change of character, and after change of character there will be always a higher retracement like this. We have this supply area. After testing supply area, it create double top in the momentum side and drop to new low. The same thing we are having here. After change of character, we have double top in momentum side and a drop. So I expect price to drop here again until this high gets break. The same thing when price in a downtrend, it will create a double top formation at QML area like this. One top, second top, it is double top in 15-minute time frame, and there is a drop. When price want to go up, it will consolidate on supply like this here, but before the change of character. Here it is not having change of character. It will have happen a change of character above this high. So price consolidate before a change of price here does not have a change of character. Here it was a change of character area and consolidate above below this, then it is a bullish sign. But when price have already made a change of character like this, wait, and it comes to a supply area, it is for sell. Same thing here, you can see this was a change of character area. Price consolidate before a change of character, it is a bullish sign. Same thing is happening here, but we already have change of character before a structural change, so I am expecting it will be a inducement part, and we can expect this move. The next week we will have a new low here. So this is my personal view on gold. I don't recommend you guys to blindly follow it. Wait for a structural confirmation here, and this will be a new low confirmation from this area. Still, structure is bullish. In 1 hour time frame, we have a clear change of character here. Again, a liquidity hunt here. So the bottom liquidity can be the target. Already the bottom liquidity are taken here, and price is trying to give us a structure change in smaller time frame. it is showing a bullish structure here, but until this supply gets break, you can't expect again upside. So your first priority will be the short from here. Your short can be from here, and your stop loss should be above the supply here, and your target will be the new low around 45. If I say this in 15-minute time frame, this is the supply area. It is possible it will just sweep it and drop again. So this will be my first entry in next week. If you see this here, this is a structural level of this area here. Possibly a wick again close below and drop here. Until we have a breakout of this consolidation range, we can't assume where is gold going. Still now structure is bullish on smaller time frame, but bigger time frame is showing us that we will have a new low on upcoming week. So this is my view on gold, guys. Hope you understand what I'm saying. Be very careful on buy side because institutions are already exiting from the long and trying out short here. And retailers like us are in long. So they have much more liquidity present from to take at this level here. There is so much liquidity present. This much contracts are there. And we can expect price to take out this all the stop loss. So that's it, guys. Hope you understand. If you have any question, I'm going on chat zone. You can ask me over there. Love from Pakistan. Love you, brother. You officially declare our love, that confidence. You have to be clear on one side until you can't trade on this market. Bearish for next 1 year. Yes, gold can be bearish for next 1 to 2 years, and it will give you a new low according to my analysis. What I'm saying, this is my personal analysis. And bull is not finished yet. Brother, you can go with your analysis. I am expecting gold to give us a new low in upcoming week or month. You will see a complete downtrend in next 2 months. If this not happen, then you can assume there will be a high level of geopolitical tension will be there. If I show you some volatility index, let me just show you on 1 week. This is a volatility index I already have discussed with my followers that when it goes up, then risk asset will go down, and the asset class which is a safe haven like gold, silver, it will rise. When this fall means there is a less geopolitical tension in the market, it will be clear in next 1 or 2 months, and we can expect market of gold to drop here. If this go below 20, then we can expect stock market to rise and gold to break its low, because money need to flow from gold to stock for a rotation, and it will be rotate here. This is a bearish sign for gold. કેમ છો મોટા ભાઈ? મજામાં ભાઈ. બહુ શીખવા મળે છે. થેન્ક મી લેટર. કાલે ટેલિગ્રામમાં ડીમ કરો. ઓકે. 3650 to 3700 top. Yes, it can be, but I don't see gold above 3550 right now. If it clears this, then these targets are open. But before it, I I don't think we can expect a new low. Geopolitical tension still going up. Can't go gold go 80h. Technicals are showing bearishness in the market, and I don't think first thing you can see in the market is technicals. Technicals will show you what will happen in fundamentals level. What if institutions were just giving themselves buy position in next 3 days for continuation of buy momentum in next week as price could not break the same zone? Price need to take out some levels for a multiple test. How many times it tests this level to break it? 1, 2, 3. This is a 4. It took 4 tests to break this level. Price need to take out and build some liquidity for a run. Price is building a liquidity here just to take out. They know people are going for a blind buy here for a gold. They already know. So another questions. We are just watching this level here. When it's break, you are clear to go on short. First, you can try a small scalp here for a short. If this area gets break, then we see this supply area again. If this area doesn't get break, we can expect break of this low here. But till now, momentum is bullish. Earlier, there are no war going on, so it took time to break. But now wars are added on Earth. You will not understand what people are saying. You think that war is ended over in Russia and Ukraine and anything, Iran. People was always having war, but you can't understand it. You will see a downtrend soon. If this if gold doesn't flip this area, you will see a huge move soon, and you will come back to me. Monday gap up or gap down. Why last week there was a lot of gap. There is still a gap at 3160 in the gold next target and then 4000. Downtrend will be there, but you are expecting too much low, around 2000. Yes, I'm expecting it. But you can expect a $1,000 move from top. It is around 3500, so 2500 will be a good target. Below this 2500, it is very much not possible right now. Let me show you in monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, we are at here in RSI level. We are at here. So this is the first peak, this is the second peak, and this is diversion and drop. This is first peak, this is second peak, diversion and drop. First peak, second peak, this is diversion, and you can expect drop. This is monthly time frame. Now 1 week. Price is going upside, momentum is low. Price is going upside, momentum is low. Price is going upside, momentum is low. Same thing. And here is the top. Where is here? Momentum is low. When price create diversion above the 80 level in RSI, it is not good for gold. I was expecting gold to create its fifth wave because you can see this was a first momentum wave, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. So this is the end of a wave here, and you can expect three waves down. First will be the 60% here, the first wave. See where it is coming here. If you see a drop around 60%, then this will be the first target. When we have monthly diversion, this is the top. For now, we don't have. You can go with a long opportunity, brother, but you need to wait for 1 hour to clear out this supply area. I will be with you. If gold clear 1 hour the supply area, then my first target will be 3400 and second will be a double top. Before this, I'm not expecting gold to go high. On the clear of this, let me just show you what path I'm expecting. If gold clear this, then you can long for this target, and if this area gets clear, you can target 3400 and you can book some here and target this area. But if not, then this will be the path. This is currently a range in which structure in smaller time frame is bullish. We have a change of character here. We can expect gold to take out this high until gold break below this low. That's why I'm saying wait for break of this low. Below this low, downtrend will confirm. You can draw elevate wave in 1 hour. In 1 hour, I don't think. If I see a clear wave, then this can be, this is 1, this can be a 2, and this can be a 3 extended. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can be 1, 2, and 3. And target will be 60%, around 3153. The same target of this previous high. When we have monthly diversion, this is the top. For now, we don't have. So wait for it. Is this 60%? Yes, this is 60%. After 60%, 50% retracement is there. It can sweep this high, target here. One will be here. Okay, so it is good. Trade of 80 to 100 pip for a day, and I am done for the day. Any suggestion for it? It is a good method for becoming profitable trade. If you see gold at any supply or a demand in daily time frame, you can target for 80 to 100 pip easily. This was a daily time frame demand area, and this is a 42, means 420 pips. And from here I have share a short position which target was here around 520 pips. So daily supply and demand area are good for entry. Any other questions? Right now, code is confusing because in Onda we don't have a 4-hour structure change. It is just a liquidity graph, so it's building a mix emotions here. But on other exchange, it have closing of two candle, so it is bearish in forex.com, but still bullish in Onda. So I will personally wait for these two areas. Break above this, then we have still room for upside, and break below this. This is the end of uptrend. Yes, right now my max target is 3550 for gold right now. If you just mark out this, it is going upside, but 1.27 is, where is 1.27? Here, 3568, nearly about 3550 and something. Just look at here. When market want to drop, it just reverse from 1.27 area. It doesn't go above it. People will wait for 1.618, but it will not hit. Market just reverse from here. If I have another example, maybe here, it didn't even have touched it. It is clearly 1.618. Maybe this. So a reverse before 1.618 and drop. So max target is just near about this, and 3550 is a psychological number, so I'm expecting it. Nothing above it. Moving average concept. It is nothing, brother. Just it gives you a clear direction of trend. You can use 20 and 50 for a 1 day time frame, and this is a result. So see how market is reacting on it. When you have a crossover in EMA, what you will do? You will enter in the market at the nearest resistance with stop loss above the recent high above the cross, and you will hold your trade until you have another cross in market, which is here. So this is your target. Okay, when you have cross in the market, what will you do? You will enter in the market with a stop loss just below the previous low below the cross, and your target will be the next crossover of EM. This will be your target. We have cross here and top price was this, so your entry will be this. Same thing, when you have cross in the market, you enter in the market and your stop loss will be the recent high below above the cross, and your target will be the next cross. This will be your target. You have close here. Sometimes on a messy time frame, it creates you a stop loss hunting. You don't have any cross here. We need clear cross. We have a clear cross here. So what is your entry? You enter in market it here. The stop loss above the previous high, and your target will be the next cross. Same thing, you have cross here. You enter in the market, the stop loss just below the previous high, previous low below the cross, and your target will be next cross. This is not cross here. Price is still moving. We need a clear cross, and this is your target. So this is how you can trade EMA. Then correction to 2000 is possible, because I don't think we'll see 2400 ever again, let alone 2000 and below. Below 2500 it is very hard for gold right now, because it is a psychological level. Around $1,000 drop from the top is a psychological level. Which period on moving average you can use? I'm not using moving average, it's EMA. You can't use moving average on gold because it frequently changes its volatility. So according to current volatility, we need to mark on the gold. So use EMA. EMA will be better for gold. EMA works better on gold. You see a clear cross? If you want to enter in the market here, where will be your stop loss? Just below here. It is clear cross. if you want to enter in the market, the stop loss was here. Same thing. But when in range, you will be very much hitting stop loss here. Because on range, it creates a fake signal. So don't rely much on this. Use bigger time frame. You will have a bigger stop loss, but your targets are much bigger on it. So now the questions. No questions? 20 pips challenge works. Brother, here gold is giving 100 pip candle in 1 minute. How will you trade on 20 pip? If your technicals are this much good, then you can do it. Here it was a long opportunity, which you can see it was FVG test, and this was a target. And here itself, it is a 1 minute time frame, and your stop loss was around 50 pips. So how will you take entry in 20 pips? Even in 1 minute, you are having stop loss of 50 pips. So don't just mark out your stop loss on pips, mark out your stop loss on structural levels. Here it is on uptrend. If it break below this, then uptrend is cancelled. So your stop loss will be below this level here. You can't mark out your stop loss for 20 pips here because it is not valid. You have to take your stop loss on invalidation of level. How to look so much in live market? You need to be active. You don't need to watch this much on market. You just need to wait for your structural levels. If you are watching 1 hour time frame and this is your structural level, so what will you look for? You will wait for market to test here. When it tests here, what will you look? You will go in 5 minute time frame and watch for a CIST or change in shift of direction. This is a change in state of delivery here, and this is your move. When it happens, watch for a structural area again. If you see here, this was a structural area. It is a pinpoint test, and if you see this structural area in 1 minute, it is aligned with a FVG. It is strong level now. Same thing for short. What is our POI? This is our POI for short. Here, if you see this in, okay, this is big. This is a POI. Now you will analyze in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, you have a clear two supply here. First is this, and second is this. So first you will wait for the test of supply and give you a bearish confirmation. If you have any big candle, red candle like this, then this will be your CIST level. On the test you can sell like this. CIST level is sudden change in the market. Market is going upside, we have sudden change in the market, it creates a sudden sell candle here, then this is the point from where it have changed it, so it is CIST level. Market was on downtrend, this is the level from where market have changed its state of delivery. CIST full form is change in state of delivery. CISD, change in state of delivery. Market was delivering a downside move, but here it's change. So this is the point from where you can expect again a move. BTC next short level, don't expect short in BTC. Brother, I have already told you I was bullish in BTC because we had a daily time frame breakout, and I was expecting if I get this level I will be in buy, but it instead it give breakout of it. So you can expect price to tap around 90 to 88 max, and from where you can expect a momentum to build. If price break this level, then your next buying level will be this area here, 78 to 76. After this wedge breakout, BTC is bullish. It is possible we will have some retracement from here, but it will be for buy. And if it drop to this level, then it will create inverse head and shoulder. And this. Watch for buying BTC. CIST and xauusd are different. Yes, they are different. Change of character, work on candle closing above or below the structural levels, but CIST is you can mark from one candle to. This one candle is a CIST level, but for change of character you need to price to break above this high. This is CIST level and this is change of character level. So both are different. In rising markets, Market just clear out top. Here we don't have any change of character, but we have sudden change in state of delivery. This is our CIST level, test of it and drop. See, change of character level was this. Remember, not all CIST will work. You can see this. Market was going up, a clear CIST here, market tested, dropped, but after that again rise. So it is a short term momentum build here. You can enter in the market. See, market on drop. Where is it? If I have any examples, here it is. Market on drop. This is sudden change. This is the zone, and you can see the move. Here change of character level is this. CIST give you impulse entry. What is valid retracement? 2 red candles or many red candles as you mark top 5-minute level. There are retracement criterias. If one is engulfing and second is 2 candle closing, but you need to wait for it. You can't just mark out one single red candle as a retracement. You need to wait for a complete breakdown of first candle or engulfing candle like this. Then you mark out retracement to start. I have just noticed that there are only 3 likes in my live stream. Why are you guys not liking the stream? Just like the stream. Give it a like. Then we will continue to our next session. I need at least, okay, so it is equal now. So good. You can ask me questions. Without question, how can I continue the session, guys? I need questions to answer. From where I can continue. You guys remember what I have told you about Nifty? The Nifty is now bullish. We have a change of character. Again, This is a buy zone, and if it drops, this is a buy zone. This will be a good entry for new ADH. If you see SPX, this was my target, and after that I'm expecting a gain high after break of this. Once price break above this, you can expect this. Until this high break, you can expect more down. And this will be my target because it previous high. Euro, I was in bullish. If you see Euro in weekly time frame, what you can see, this is a clear break of trend. Where can you expect market to rise? This is the zone. In upcoming months, you will see Euro on new high. This is the end of downtrend. Weekly chart. If you see this in monthly, it will be much clearer. So wait for this closing here. Close above, retest it, and good for a go. Wait a minute, guys. I'm back. So this is Euro. On Euro, you can go on bullish side once we have closing above this trend line. What and how much pair you trade? Also an index. I don't trade much pair. I just trade gold, Euro, sometimes BTC, and sometimes GBP. Not more than this trade. This all the pairs I trade, mostly 90% time gold and sometimes this pairs. So let's repeat what we are expecting in gold. Our first priority will be on a short side from this zone here. This is the level. We have supply above it. So expect first to market to break here if this area doesn't get clear. If this area gets clear, your target will be this supply area above this here like this. If this clear, you expect double top to form. Again, it fails to break above and again break in. Then you just short on a retest for a new low. Just like this, if market break above it, again break down, retest it, you go short here with just a stop loss above the previous high just created and for a new low. This can be the entry on a SL hunting. This is a liquidity hunt. On a complete breakdown below this low here, your first target will be this high, which is around 45, but market have already done its move from this zone. So I expect price to tap a supply and demand area here like this. This will be the demand from where we expect again some retracement to test this low again, and this will be the move. After this move, you can expect a test here and drop. Major view will be on a bearish side and the drop. You said something about reopening VIP calls. What did you mean? I was running a VIP to for my members. I just provide calls on a paid service. It was closed for around 4 months. Now I'm again reopening it. Frankly, I was on a loose streak here because I didn't understand what was market doing. Then I just took a break, and when I go clear, I just give it a free subscription from there. Any other questions? No questions? Then we can end the session here. If you have any questions, just give it in a chat and then we will continue. As how much will be the subscription for VIP? I will post it in my free channel once I open it. It is not till now open. Once I open it, I will share every detail in my free channel. You will just go through it. So this is the area for next week, and we have NFP next week. So it will be much volatile week ahead. We have so much news. You can see this ADP, charts opening, unemployments, and NFP. This is the big news. The first, we can expect market to bring and create a liquidity here. On NFP, you can expect a sweep of equal high as we expect in every NFP on a sweep of equal high, and we can expect more downside. Mostly we see NFP as a sweep. First down, again up, then more down. This can be the move in next week. First, market gave us a change of character clearly in 4-hour time frame, then again rise to create a trap for buyers and after the scrap we can expect more downside. So on NFP we are expecting downside. This NFP will be very bearish for gold. Next 1 or 2 months you will see gold to new low. So that's it. This is a complete recap what we are expecting on gold in this week. If you have any problem or any questions, you can ask me. We will solve it here. So guys, that's it. I think you guys don't have any questions, so I'm winding up the session here. See you in the next session. Until then, keep trading, keep printing. See you in the next session, guys. Thank you for joining.